Hey everyone, today I'm here to cover the topic transport and tourism. Firstly, if I talk about what is transport, the act of moving something or someone to carry, convey, or move something. If I talk about what is tourism, the practice of traveling to and visiting places for pleasure and relaxation, the industry that is involved in offering various services for tourists. Moving further, if I talk about what are the elements of transport, the elements of transport, if attraction does take place, a transport system will be needed. Flocks 1990 has identified four basic physical elements in any transport system. Firstly, the way. The way is the medium of travel used by the various transport modes. It may be artificial, such as roads, railway, tramway, and cableways. It may be a natural way, the air, the sea, lakes, and rivers. Or it can be a combination of the two, such as inland waterways. Moving further, secondly, the terminal. A terminal give access to the way for the users, while a terminus is the fastest point to which that system extends. Literally, the end of the line. Terminals can also act as the in charges where traveler transfer from one mode to another. For example, from aircraft to coach, train at an airport, or in the case of the channel, to a tunnel from coach or car to the shuttle train. Thirdly, the carrying unit. Each type of way demands a particular type of carrying units, aircraft, ship, and smaller vessels for waterways, car, buses, coaches, and other vehicles for the roads, and rolling stocks for the railways. Lastly, motive power. The motive power for most transport mode is now dependent on petroleum as the energy source. Geology determines that this natural resource is unevenly distributed, with the Middle East supplying almost two-thirds of the total world output. For each mode or form of transport, the characteristics of these elements vary, and it is therefore useful to examine them in turn. If I talk about transport cost and pricing, transport cost and pricings are fundamental to the geography of tourism. The cost structure of each mode influences consumer choice and thus determines the volume of traffic on a route. There are two basic types of transport cost. Firstly, social and environmental costs. These costs are not paid for by the transport operator or user but are borne by the community. Secondly, private cost. Those who operate the transport system pay private cost, which are then passed on to the customer or fares. Thank you. This is all about transport and tourism.